everyone!
Hi! Today we are going to make
Slime! So the materials you will need is
glue. White, clear, or gel. We're just gonna use elements, so it could be any brand.
so set aside. So next, something to mix with.
Set aside. Something to mix with. Set aside.
Liquid detergent. So let's get started. So here's our mixing plate. So let's pour some glue.